What's the one thing that keeps you up at night, financially speaking? Is it the fear of losing your job, a medical emergency, or a car breakdown? You're not alone. I've been there too. As a personal finance expert, I've helped thousands of people build a safety net. My approach is simple, yet effective. I'll share with you the exact steps to build an anti-panic fund covering 6 months of expenses. You'll learn how to save money without sacrificing your current lifestyle. With tools like Personal Capital and You Need a Budget UNAB, you'll be on track to financial freedom in no time. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to build your emergency fund and start investing for beginners. You'll be one step closer to achieving financial freedom and creating passive income streams. Let's face it, life is unpredictable. One day you're cruising, the next, you're hit with a car repair bill or a medical emergency. You know, the kind of expenses that can derail your entire financial plan. What if you lose your job? Or your rent goes up unexpectedly? How will you pay for it all? Most of us live paycheck to paycheck, with little to no savings. We're one emergency away from financial disaster. The stress, the anxiety, it's overwhelming. You feel like you're walking on thin ice, never knowing when you'll slip and fall. But what if you had a safety net? A cushion to fall back on when life gets tough. That's what an emergency fund is all about. But let's be real, building one can seem daunting. Where do you even start? How much do you need to save? And how can you do it without sacrificing your current lifestyle? These are the questions we'll answer in this video. So, you want to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. You want to build a safety net that lets you sleep at night, knowing you're covered for any unexpected expenses. That's where the anti-panic fund comes in. This is your 6-month emergency fund, designed to keep you afloat during tough times. Think of it as insurance for your finances. Now let's get started on building it. First, you need to calculate your monthly expenses. Grab a pen and paper and write down everything you spend money on in a month. Yes, everything. From rent to groceries to entertainment. Be honest with yourself. Now, add up those numbers to get your total monthly expenses. This will be the foundation of your emergency fund. Next, you'll want to determine how much you need to save each month to reach your 6-month goal. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 10% to 20% of your net income. But if you're living paycheck to paycheck, that might not be realistic. So, start with what you can afford, even if it's just 5% of your net income. The key is to be consistent. Now, let's talk about where to put your emergency fund. You'll want to keep it in a separate, easily accessible savings account. This is where our affiliates, Personal Capital and You Need a Budget, come in. They offer great tools to help you manage your finances and stay on track. With Personal Capital, you can link all your accounts in one place and track your spending. And with You Need a Budget, you can set a budget and stick to it. They even offer a free trial, so you can try it out before committing. Now, let's summarize the steps to build your anti-panic fund. Calculate your monthly expenses, determine how much you need to save each month, and set up a separate savings account. It's time to take control of your finances and build the safety net you deserve. You got this. Now, let's talk about the tools that can help you build your anti-panic fund. I recommend using Personal Capital to track your expenses and investments. It's free and easy to use. You can also use You Need a Budget, or YNAB, to create a budget that actually works for you. By using these tools, you can save an average of $500 per month. That's $3,000 in just 6 months. To get started, click the link in the description below to sign up for Personal Capital and YNAB. As a special offer, you'll get 10% off your first year of YNAB. Don't wait until it's too late. Start building your anti-panic fund today and take the first step towards financial freedom.